The blog I chose to cover this week was an editor's pick from Fast Company called 16 Home Office Improvements Editors Swear By. I have noticed in the discussion board topics that many of you currently work from home or are obviously enrolled in class and have a goal to, or maybe have a goal to work from home in the future. So I thought these might be educational and helpful for people to improve their home office space. The first one is the standing desk. Floyd is a modern and modular movable sofa, but also has a standing desk, which as an OT caught my eye because I think it's more ergonomically friendly. It also has the prices of these things on there, so as you can see, the desk starts at $865, which can be a tad pricey. The next one is the old desk lamp. It's a warm light that can offset the blue light coming from the computer. It's also just a tap feature to turn it on and off. 3, a native Union Dock wireless charger. This is a standing wireless charger, so it can keep your phone propped up so it stays in eyesight. 4 is a Grove-made laptop stand. This allows you to give your laptop a boost and keep your eyesight straight and increase your postural alignment, which I also liked as an OT. 5, the purple comfy home bundles. This is a purple seat and back cushion combo, which you may have heard of Purple before. They are actually like a mattress company. They use their mattress technology for comfortability in all your pressure points. This also will transfer good for your work from home chair into a recliner. Next is the No Calm headphones. These are lightweight noise-canceling headphones that can distinguish or disguise disruptive outside noises and easily swipeable controls on their ears. Next, our number 7 is the Logitech Ergo K860. This was one of my favorites for the it uses and allows your wrists to rest almost as if they're on two sides of a pyramid or a small wave, which you can see in the picture. It's also on a foam cushion, so this saves you from years down the line of possibly getting carpal tunnel syndrome. The next one is also a keyboard. This one is called the Microsoft Surface Ergonomic Keyboard. This splits the keys into two and aligns them towards the center of your wrist to sit more in a neutral position, reducing the strain of your wrist and fingers, which is another way to prevent carpal tunnel syndrome. 9 is called an Anchor Ergonomic Vertical Mouse. The person that chose this actually discussed how it reduced the pain from their carpal tunnel syndrome. It does look kind of awkward, however, they say it helps to, your hands slip into the grip like grooves, and this puts your wrists in pressure-free positions. 10 is the Herman Miller Ear-On chair. Their slogan is an investment in design and an investment in your spine. However, it's definitely going to be an investment in price because it is $995. 11 is the Logitech HD webcam. Since working from home doesn't seem to be going away anytime soon, it may be time to upgrade your webcam. So you're not limited to crummy camera that's on your laptop. So you can put this in a tripod or other positions that might be more flattering camera angles for you for your important meetings. 12 is the Ready Desk 2 standing desk converter. The simple stand desk converter is only $155 as opposed to the first one that we saw. And it's designed for 2 riser and ample space to work on your table below that you can set if you need to sit again. 13 is the Simple Stuff Westwick Height Adjustable Desk Converter. Which is that one. 14 is the Canopy Humidifier. This humidifier adds mistless moisture to the air and cleaning your air with the embedded UV lights. And then there is the Dyson Pure Hot Cool. This is an air purifier, heater, and fan, and it also has a very quiet setting, so it's not going to interrupt all your Zoom calls. And then 16, and lastly, we have a Baroon Fig Squire pen. This is an aluminum weighted pen that writes smooth and feels solid in your hand. It also comes with replaceable ink for only $4. However, the pen itself is $55. So these were just 16 things that the editors suggested to help improve your work from home space. So I hope at least some of them were helpful tips for you guys.